Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make between $4 to $8 per survey, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a website where you can earn between $4 to $8 per survey. All right. You're going to be earning from completing surveys and completing simple tasks. It's been a long time I made them. I uploaded on this channel, but thank you so much guys for coming back to watch this video. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment with your questions. All right. So we're going to look at this website. The best part is that it's available in most countries. They have several payout options like gift cards, and they also have PayPal. So if you cannot cash out via gift cards, they have PayPal for you. So we're going to dive in and look at this website. We're going to look at the sign up process and everything, how it works, so that you can get started. All right, let's dive in. The name of the website is Prime Opinion. This Prime Opinion works for most countries. All right, and you can see the live payouts: PayPal $20, $50, $5, PayPal International. So it's not just for people in the UK or EU. They are available in most countries. So there's no harm in trying it out. Sign up and see if it's available in your country. Okay. So these are the payout options they have. They have Google Play, Decathlon, Amazon, Adidas, Foot Locker, Airbnb, PayPal. So most people would go for PayPal. I usually go for PayPal. Okay. So they have gift cards, credit cards, and you can also donate to charity. So for PayPal, the minimum is £5, depending on your currency. PayPal International, the minimum as well is £5, depending on your currency. That's the country where you're located. Okay. You're going to be paid for taking free surveys because your opinions are valuable and businesses are willing to pay for them. So you're going to earn between £4 per survey, and they always have so many surveys available. The average user earned £8 yesterday, and cash out begins from £3. You can go check them out on Trustpilot. They have about 18,983 reviews so far. They also have a mobile app if you're interested in downloading the mobile app. So you're going to start in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to sign up, and step 2 is to start taking surveys, and step 3 is get paid, withdraw cash or redeem from 161 plus rewards. All right. So like I said, if your country is not here, don't worry. Let me know your country in the comment section so that I'll dedicate a video to your country. So yeah, so after you've gone through this and you're ready to start, you're just going to go ahead and click on sign up. You click on sign up. There should be an option for sign up here, but because I've already signed up, it's showing me go to app. So you're going to click on sign up, and once you sign up with you can sign up with your email or your Google account. And once you're done, it brings you here. You earn 100 points. That's a bonus point of 100. Cash out from 500 points. The exchange rate is 100 points equals 78p. Okay. So if you convert this to Naira, I know how much it is. You can cash out points anytime for real cash via PayPal, or choose from 100 plus gift cards and others. So this is my welcome bonus. If you sign up today, you will also get this welcome bonus. And this is my homepage. So guys, this is my former account. I already had an account, but I forgot this one. This is how much I have here, £1.13. And you can see that there are so many surveys available. The only thing you need is your time. Just bring out your time. But I tell you, you don't even need to waste too much time on this. You don't need, to dedicate a lot of time, because the time that you're sitting in the toilet for 10 to 20 minutes, you can use it to complete survey. The time that you're just watching TV, you can use it to complete surveys. Okay. So this one is 157 points, which is $1 plus. Okay, I mean £1 something. you can see. So what I do, a tip that I'll give you is I usually go for the ones with shorter minutes so that I can complete them fast and go my way. Like these ones now is 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 2 minutes. But mind you, these minutes sometimes you don't spend up to that number of minutes and the survey will be completed. Okay. I know that this one is 202 points, which is like 2 pounds plus, but it will take 19 minutes. Okay. Even the time you're on, traveling on the bus or on the go, you can complete surveys. Bring out a little time to do this every day. You earn. I tell a lot of you, I've made so much money completing surveys, but people don't believe it. They don't. So when you click on one and you just start, if you own this, a car, which brands are they, can begin your surveys and answer them honestly. Okay. However, after you sign up, this is going to be your homepage. Okay, this is going to be your homepage. They have leaderboards. You're going to earn from like weekly prize pool every day. Unlock leaderboard, complete 8 more surveys to start competing. So if you complete 10 surveys, you earn something from the weekly prize draw. Okay. I'm still on level 1 for now because I have not really put in much time. And yeah. So you earn more by referring. When someone signs up using your link, you earn a 10% commission on their survey points. So you're going to earn whenever your friends or family signs up. So this is going to be my invite link that I can use to invite you. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. This is going to be the code if you want to use the code to invite someone. So make sure you sign up with my invite link so that you earn your 100 points reward. Okay, so that is how it works. It's very easy. As long as it works for your country, go for it. Start completing surveys. And they have short surveys as well. Short surveys, the ones with 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, short surveys. You can go for the short surveys if you don't have time. I don't like to waste time on surveys, so I usually go for short surveys. They have most points surveys, you see, 202 points, which is about 2 pounds plus. I don't know whether it would be like $3 or $4 plus. Okay. And then these are the best match, the ones that for sure, any survey you see with this, with 5 stars or 4 stars, you know that a lot of people have completed it, like 101 stars. It means that they have high rates of acceptance. But the ones with 0 star means they reject people a lot. So you do want to go for these ones that have high rating. Okay, best match. So that will do it for us. Go and check them out. Check if they're in your country so that you can start earning. But peradventure they are not available in your country, comment your country in the comment section for me so that I'll search for surveys or how to make money online for your country. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching to this very moment. I hope you go and try them out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if it works for you. But if it doesn't work for your country, let me know your country in the comment section so that next time I'll make a video that of a website that works for your country. All right, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and most importantly, drop a comment, guys, with your country. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.